Today, I'm going to demonstrate ThriftCart's upsell feature. So this will let you prompt the cashier to add additional items to the cart if a particular item or category is added to the cart. So this is useful for upselling warranties or other impulse items that the cashier can ask the customer if they want. Okay, so to do that, on the left menu of ThriftCart, go to point of sale and inventory, then scroll down to POS settings, and then click the button that says Upsell settings. When you click on that button, you'll see a header that says add a new upsell, and there will be a handful of choices. At the top will be select a category. So if you select a category, any item that matches that category will trigger an upsell prompt. The next field is entering an item ID. That is an alternative to category. So you would enter that instead of the category, not in addition to it. So if there's just one particular item rather than an entire category that should trigger an upsell, you would enter that item ID there. Okay, then there is a comma separated list of item IDs that the cashier can add for the upsell. So you grab the item IDs from view edit items or another place in thrift cart, and then you enter it there as a comma separated list. If there's only one item to upsell, then you just enter a single item ID. But for example, if there's two different warranty lengths, for example, you could enter two different item IDs separated by a comma. Next is a prompt that appears to the cashier. So this could be something like, yeah, please ask the customer if they'd like a warranty or something similar to that. And then there are fields for both a minimum price and a maximum price. If you only want this upsell to appear for certain priced items, you would enter it there. Otherwise, leave it blank and it'll appear at any price. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this up. So first, I'm going to go over and look at my various item IDs here. So I'm going to go to manage categories, scroll to the bottom, and click view slash create items with uncounted stock. All right, so here I have all of my categories, and I've already created a warranty category with a few items. So I've got a 1 year appliance warranty for $35, a 2 year appliance warranty for $50, and a 5 year sofa warranty for $33. All right, so I've got those item IDs right here. So first, I'm going to set up the appliance upsell. So on the upsell settings page, under select a category, I'm going to select the appliances category. I'm going to leave the item ID field blank because we are triggering upsells by category, not by item ID. And then there is the field for that comma separated list of item IDs to upsell. All right, so for that, I'm going to grab item ID number 1932 and 1933, the 1 and 2 year appliance warranties in my system. So I'm going to enter 1932, comma 1933. All right, and here's the cashier prompt. So I'm going to say here, this is what's going to appear to the cashier. Ask the customer if they would like an appliance warranty. And I'm not going to do a minimum or maximum price. And I'm going to click create a new upsell prompt. There we go. And now we can see there is a table that has this upsell prompt. So it'll tell us what triggers it. Anything of category ID number one, appliances. It'll have the items that we're adding. It'll have the cashier prompt, the minimum maximum prices, and then a button to delete it once you no longer need it. All right, now I'm going to just create one more upsell. This time with an item ID. So I'm going to search for sofa here in my list of items, and I see that sofa's item ID number 68. So I'm going to have this be triggered by item ID number 68. And then I'm going to have that sofa warranty, the 5 year sofa warranty, which is item ID number 1934. I'm going to put that in my comma separated list of item IDs to upsell. Here, there's not going to be any commas because it's only one item in the list, so just 1934. And then here, ask customer if they want a 5 year sofa warranty. All right. And then for the sofa warranty, I'm going to do a minimum maximum price. So this will only apply to sofas between $100 and $500. Create a new up prompt. Here we go. So now that has been added to the cart. Okay, so let's see the cashier experience. So now I'm going to hop over to the register to see what the cashier would see. So I'm going to point of sale and inventory and cash register. Go ahead and empty the cart to start fresh. Okay, and now we're going to go click red ticket, and then we're going to go click appliances, and I'm going to click microwave. I'm going to go add a microwave for $35. Add to cart. And now we can see this prompt appears here on the screen. That's customer if they like appliance warranty. So that's the cashier prompt. And then there's a button for add 1 year appliance warranty to cart and shows the price of $35. Add 2 year appliance warranty to cart, shows the price of $50, or decline. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add that 1 year appliance warranty. And when I click that, you can see that 1 year appliance warranty has been added to the cart, and that prompt is now gone. All right, let's see what happens with the sofa. So if I click red ticket, and then I click furniture, and I click sofa. Now remember we set a price range here. So for example, if I add it under the price range, for example, let's say this is a $30 sofa, no prompt appears. Let's go ahead and add a sofa that is in the price range, like with red ticket, and then furniture and sofa. And let's say this is a $250 sofa, add to cart. And now we can see the prompt. Add customer, if they ask customer if they would like a 5-year sofa warranty. In this case, I'm going to decline it. So I'm going to click the orange decline button, and we will see that that prompt is now gone and no warranty has been added to cart. And then when we're done, we just cash it out or pay with a card like usual. So I'll cash it out, grab to the nearest dollar, exact change, and that is that. So that is how, yeah, that is how we do upsells, for example, for warranties or something similar.